QuickBooks Online Plus provides basic time tracking. If you subscribe to QuickBooks Payroll Premium and/or QuickBooks Time, more advanced time tracking options are available. These users also have access to time settings in the classic QuickBooks Time program. However, before you track time with either type of time subscription, you should ensure you set your desired time tracking settings. This lesson shows you how to set your time tracking settings in QuickBooks Online Plus if you don't have a subscription to QuickBooks Time or Payroll Premium. To set the time tracking settings in QuickBooks Online Plus if you don't have a subscription to QuickBooks Time or Payroll Premium, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings command under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Settings window. Then, click the Time menu category at the left side of the window to show its category sections to the right. Click the pencil icon at the right end of the General section to the right to edit its option. To set the first day of the work week when entering time, select it from the First Day of Work Week dropdown. To then save your change, click the Save button at the bottom of this section. Then, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Timesheet section to edit its options. To add a service field to timesheets that lets you specify a service the employee performed from your products and services list, click the Show Service Field toggle switch to set it to the On position. To make time activities billable to customers, ensure the Allow Time to be Billable toggle switch is set to the On position. To show the billing rate to users who enter time, check the Show Billing Rate to Users Entering Time checkbox. However, if you bill an hourly rate different from what you pay employees but let employees enter their own time, you may want to leave this checkbox unchecked. To then save your changes, click the Save button at the bottom of this section. To then close the Settings window, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.